Around 80% of workshops outsource their rolling and their forming of steel sheet, and this, it may not be the cost. The cost is actually very minimal. Sometimes it can be only £100 to £150 per rolling job that you outsource, but other things come into consideration here. You often have to pay a transport cost to get the goods down there, the sheet down there, and then to get it back. You also get the delay. It often can be 3 to 4 day lead time, and then there might be other urgent jobs that get pushed in front of your job. It could be a bigger delay. And then often your job, you may have a job to do that needs rolling, and you maybe only get a 1 week window to do that job, and it may take 3 to 4 days to get your rolling done. By the time you get that back, you've only got a 1 day window to actually get and finish and complete your job and get it out to the customer. This can often be a bit of a problem. So why not purchase your own powered bending rolls? With this, you can have control on your processes. You can have control as to how quickly you can offer a job out. You're not relying on other people to do your rolling. You might only have one bit to roll. You might have a 4-foot bit to roll. You might have a small bit to roll. But you can do the whole lot in-house on your own machine, and you can control your own processes and how quickly you can have a job ready for your customer and completed. And with this here, you probably have a payback time within about 1 to 2 years. But you're obviously decreasing the amount of time that it takes for completing a project, and also you have control in your own processes. And this machines here, you can roll anything from 3 up to 3 mil, and then you get the next size up which can roll up to 6 mil. And then as you go down to smaller bits, you can also go up to your thicker materials for your smaller bands. You can save yourself on time on the project, you can save yourself on the carriage costs, but then most of all you have your own control in your processes and also on your accuracy for your jobs. You can obviously have all this in-house for whenever you need it.